The BookTEK 4v3 is the newest and smallest member of the BookTEK family of overhead book scanners. The BookTEK 4v3 scanner digitizes documents more than A3 in size and is designed specifically for self-service book scanning, newspaper and magazine archiving, and any other challenging digitization projects you might have. The scanner is designed for self-service applications in public environments, and it incorporates all of the features of the larger A2 Plus model at a cost-effective entry-level price. The device is so compact that it fits on any desktop. The BookTEK 4v3 is a valuable device for so many markets, such as libraries, archives, universities, and information facilities. The device scans at 400 dpi optical with an internal 36-bit color depth. The integrated billing module is included at no extra cost and can handle billing for all applications that do not have an existing card or billing system. All BookTEK 4 models are equipped with a V-shaped book cradle, a unique solution for less invasive digitization of sensitive books. The V-cradle can lie in a flat position or can be fixed at a 120-degree angle, reducing the risk of damage to the book's spine and binding. All BookTEK 4 models also feature a built-in 7-inch wide VGA color touchscreen, which provides simple handling of the integrated scanning applications. The 19-inch preview screen instantly displays the scanned images and allows for quick and comfortable control of the scan result. The key to excellent overhead scanning is in the high-quality optoelectronics in the head of the BookTEK 4. 2 bars of bright white LEDs provide an excellent instant-on illumination, which is infrared and ultraviolet free. The CCD line camera with 22,500 pixels is superior to all digital or matrix cameras in both performance and image quality. One scan produces about 160 megapixels, twice as much as the best digicams available on the market. The quality of the optical system is superior and reproduces details not even visible to the human eye. The BookTEK 4v3 scanner is equipped with a conveniently located, high-speed USB 3.0 port for easy walk-up scanning. The USB driver supports almost all file systems, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux. In addition, the BookTEK 4v3 scans to network, cloud, or mobile devices via the applications Scan to Net and Scan to Pad. We have developed a few short videos to teach you how to unpack, install, and calibrate your BookTEK. We hope the next video, Unpacking Your BookTEK, will help you get started.